Alright, it is Sunday. I am out in the dump. You can see there's snow on the ground and there's limited places I can dig. Like down here at the bottom of the hill where the water's unthawing, it's above freezing a little bit. Is the only place up higher on the bank it still froze. But I got something cool, see if you see it down there. It's awesome. Excellent. Right here. Look at this huge shell. Oh, this is nice. It's huge. It's really cool. Look at that. Wow. Alright, I'm back. I'm in a pretty good spot here. I'm lucky because I'm limited. And the place I started, I'm finding stuff at least. See if you see it. It's an old lock. I already picked it up, but man, I didn't wipe it off much, and that's how it looked. That side's a little, but it has lots of writing on it, made in the USA on the back here. It's an old Yale lock. That's cool. Later. Alright, I'm back. Here's a cool little green bottle. I might take it. Probably will. But I got, this looks like a mason. It is. Atlas Mason. It's a big one. Anchor Hawking. It's perfect. I'm gonna take it. I can't leave that. Later. Alright, I got a cool bottle sticking out of its hole. Following the seam up through here. See, there's all kinds of little bottles in it. Some of it's old, some of it's not. I'm on a hill about like this. But right here you can see embossing on this. And there's embossing all over the bottom. Look at it. It might be an embalming fluid. See what we got. It's one of them Peter Farahay and Son Chicago medicine. But it's huge. I'll take that. The reliable bedtime preparation for home use. That's what it says. And it's all embossed up on the bottom. Something Chicago Farahay. That's cool. It's medical. And it's big and it's awesome. So a good find. Later. This is pretty cool. I was trying to get this big piece of metal out of here, and look at that. There's a mason laying right under it. Man, look how good it is. Oh, it's a beauty. Under that thing it was shoulder, it still got the original cap. It's too bad that's not filled with marbles. Number 1 on the bottom. Later. Go up a little farther. Look at that bottle. Some kind of like old ketchup or something. Later. Alright, I'm working back in here. Look up there. There's a ball mason right there sticking out, a blue one with a 4 on the bottom. I'll get it out and I'll show you later. I about got it ready to pop down out of here. Oh, it's all there. It's a beauty. Let's see, number 4. Ball perfect mason. Baby blue glass. It'll look great cleaned up with marbles in it. Later. Alright, this is a cool little find. It's a ceramic shell and it's got 2 little pearls sitting in it. That's pretty cool. I don't know if it says anything on the bottom. I don't see nothing. That's pretty cool. Later. Alright, check it out. It's my first plastic figure from here. It's got some damage, but it's an indie and it's kind of a cool one. Later. I haven't found nothing spectacular yet, but I'm finding stuff. Got another one of these big Barks root beers, and the last one I found, my last video, was real nice. It looks brand new, and it says Bel Air, Ohio on the bottom. Dr. Pepper Bottling Company, Bel Air. Later. Alright, just got something cool. Look at this little piece of crystal. I don't know, that's eye shaped. Maybe that's to wash eyes out or something, but I don't know. It might be some kind of little, like, shot glass for something special occasion. That's nice. Wow, that's cool. Very unique. Later. Alright, folks, I did it. Got something that I like. It's worth a little bit, 20, 25 bucks. Embalming fluid, and it's perfect. And I found one like this early on in this dump, and it was cracked. I thought it was whole. I already picked this up. It's a smoker. Look at it. Complies with all state laws. the Champion Company, Springfield, Ohio. And then it says Ontario down here. It's a nice embalming fluid. Wow, I'm so happy now. It's worth it. Maybe I can get something else later. Well, this didn't happen too often. A marble stuck in the wall. It's my first one of the day too. I got that embalming fluid bottle a few minutes ago, and this is a green and red one. See it right there? There's a green bottle. There's all kinds of stuff in here. Let's see what we got. This is probably a Christensen. Oh man, folks, this is just, oh, this is a high quality month maker. Let me get this cleaned off. If this is the only marble I find, this is worth it. This is a valuable one. I'll clean it off and show you. This is awesome. Later. I don't know, this is one of the nicer marbles I've found. The condition's awesome. It's got red blood looking stuff in it's clear base, and that's gonna fluoresce. You can just tell that's gonna glow under a black light. Look at that beauty. Oh my goodness, look at the, oh wow, this is nice, folks. I love it. This is one of my favorite ones. It's like a lemonade. Ox blood probably is what you'd call that. It's just beautiful. Later. Well, there's a Broughton's milk, and man, that's rare to find them like that with the graphics on them. The ACLs, it's got it on both sides. That's nice. I'm taking it. Got a milk. Later. All right, that looks like the neck of an Art Deco soda. It is. It's one of these Sistersville ones. It says Sistersville right here on the bottle. It's a soda. I'll take it. Later. There's an old gas fixture. It says something on it up there, and it's got designs. I'll take that and clean it up. I have many of them. You can usually get them turning. Later. Alright, I've been here a few hours. I got 3 ball blue masons, and they're old ones. They got the line that in the dropped A. They're like older ones. Atlas, Anchor Hawking, a couple of them. Another one of these. I just found one of these. I got another one. I got a Barks Root Beer, a Broughton's Milk, a big, look at this big medical, Dr. Peter Farinay and Sons Company, Chicago, Illinois. That's huge and perfect. I like it. Got this little thing, couple pieces of milk glass. There's a big one there. And I love this Champion Company. It's embalming fluid. I found a cap for it too in the dump that I can clean up. And this might be the find of the day. This is an awesome marble. It's like a lemonade ox blood. It's a valuable one. Look, it even changes color. Like, wow, it's awesome. Later. All right, I'm back home. This is the embalming fluid bottle I found today. Got an old cap from the dump, cleaned it up. The bottle's just flawless. It looks brand new. I think it's 1946 or 36. I can't tell. It's 36 or 46. That's awesome. It's probably 36. The complies with all state laws. It cleaned up beautifully. Took me a while, but there's not a chip or a crack in it anywhere. It's really nice. Thanks for watching, folks. I appreciate it. Later.